I guess sometimes you just don't think and do stupid stuff, huh? I looked around and I found another post that already had an end on it, so that'll plug up one end, and I'm gonna drill several holes in this corner so the air can come up into the wood. I also found some dryer vent duct that I had in my shed, so I will get the duct tape out and fix that up to the end. And all I need to do now is see if my wife has an old hair dryer. And I think I'm gonna rearrange these blocks so that I can get one of these pieces to fit in the corner. I used to have a hacksaw blade, a diamond hacksaw blade, and I was gonna cut out the corner of one of these and make it fit once I had both these blocks up here. I think I'm gonna rearrange everything and make it work so I don't have to cut the corner out of one of these. So let's see how that turns out. That's how it looks with the holes drilled. Now to get a hair dryer hooked up to it and try it out.
Does yours have a mosquito repellent on? Grab the whole thing.
Down here.
Tell me when.
Alright, go ahead, I guess. Let's see what happens.
Whoa! Ooh. If this totally ain't working.
Well, so far so good. I'm kind of worried about the center blocks getting too hot and breaking or maybe exploding. I don't know if they'll do that or not. Because they are porous, and if any moisture's in them, should have already escaped. I believe it'll work. Notice I do have several cracks forming in the blocks. Crack there. Crack over here. So I let it run for about an hour and just kind of see how things would do, how it would hold up, and you see we developed a few cracks. I've been in the house for about an hour now. I went ahead and took the rest of the wood out and turned it off, let it cool off. I've been in the house for about an hour and it's still, I mean, I can't keep my hand there, it'll burn me. It's still really hot. I'm really surprised how that holds the heat. Well, for an update, I've used it about 3 or 4 hours, and The design works, but the materials do not work. These cheap little pad blocks, they can't handle the heat. I thought they would crack, and sure enough they did. Maybe if I had a piece of 1/4-inch plate under each side or something, steel plate to hold things in place. But it was a fun experiment anyway, and I got to bang on a little bit of steel, but it didn't last too long. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Man, that's a tough piece, huh? Got it. All right. Always handy to have a little help